what is that first question, question 1, what is that asking you to do besides expand bracket? Times, yep. Timesing two things together.
Isn't it 2 times what's in the brackets?
2 times what's in the brackets, exactly. So that's basically, it's a rectangle, eh? Because that's what multiplication is. So what's the area of that rectangle? What are the sides? What are the lengths of that rectangle? One side is 2. Happy with that? And the other side is not just x, but
X plus 1.
yeah, x plus 1. Okay, I'm putting a line there. Why am I putting a line there? Separate the x and the 1. Yeah, why am I separating x and the 1? Because they are not like terms. Yeah, happy with that? So what's this area in here now?
2x.
2 times x is 2x. Yeah. What's that area just there? This is it. This is the time where you're not focused and you're distracting people around you. Okay? You've seen that to mum and dad. Play this video for mum and dad at parent-teacher conferences, just so they know. That there, 2 and 1. That area of that rectangle is 2. So the area of the whole rectangle is simply what? Yeah, 2x plus 2. Just add those like terms. Oh, but there are no like terms, so it's just simply that. That is the area of that rectangle. That is that there expanded. Okay? Using what we call the box method. Okay? I'll show you a different method in a minute. But let's do the box method for the rest of these ones. What's the, oh, this is another rectangle, eh? Rectangle, what's the side lengths? 3x, good.
X plus 1.
X plus 1, yeah, good. I'll change the colour just so that we can see the colour. Can I change the colour? Right. So what's the area in the first box?
3x.
Yeah, 3x squared.
Why is it squared?
Well, because x times x is... Yeah. Okay. What's the second box? 3x, yeah. So what's the area? Area is 3x squared plus 3x. Happy with that? Okay. Now there are other ways of doing it. That's the box method. There's also this other way that when I was at high school, that's what I learned. I called it the, it was called the Kiwi method or the Kiwi in a puddle method. Okay. It's basically, I mean, what's 2 times x? 2x. What's 2 times 1? Which is exactly the same as the box method, but can you see how that looks like our Kiwi? Thanks, Mrs. Little from year 9 maths. Happy with that? Cool. So we do the same thing with the next one. 3x times x gives you 3x squared. 3x times 1 gives you 3x. Oh, there's your answer. Okay. So there's the, hopefully you can see the Kiwi there. If you can't see the Kiwi, you might need a little bit of imagination. Okay, the Kiwi in the puddle comes from these questions here. What's the difference with this one from the first two? Yeah, 2 brackets, eh? So is it still a rectangle?
No.
Pardon me?
Square.
Yeah, well, it looks more like a square, but it is actually a rectangle. But what we do is we make it it's a 2 by 2 rectangle, which looks like a square, but it's not. Technically, it's not a square because the side lengths aren't the same. But yeah, gotcha. Happy with that? So, what's the top length?
X plus 4.
Yeah, x plus 4 on the top. So that means this one here is going to be
X minus 2.
x minus 2, right? And I might have to move that a little slightly. Make sure I got room. Okay, so what's that top left box?
X squared.
Yeah, x squared. This one's going to be
X.
4x. What's this one down here?
Negative 2x.
Yeah, negative 2x. And this one here? Negative 8, yeah, because negative 2 times 4. If you can see that, That's just like the box we did with the numbers above, right? So what's my answer though?
4x squared. No, x squared. Oh, do you do left box? X squared. QX.
X squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 8. It is all those things added together. It's everything added together. Happy with that?
Doesn't matter what order it goes in.
It does. Remember how I said before, it goes x squared, then x's, then numbers? Because in this case, what can happen now? Yeah, Watson close? Yeah, this part here, these are like terms, eh? Yeah. So I should have an answer of x squared plus 2x minus 8. Okay? But ultimately, that's what you're doing. Okay? And if you think about it, hopefully that makes a bit of sense. And if I show you now what I learnt when I was in year 9, my kiwi, this is the kiwi in the puddle, right? X times x,
X squared.
George, x squared. X times minus 2 gives you the minus 2x. Yep. 4 times x gives you the 4x. 4 times negative 2 gives you the negative 8. Okay? Happy with that?
Yeah.
Can you see how that method is called the kiwi in the puddle? Because it's like the reflection. How good is that?
Is it bad to me that you can't do it?
I can't see.
It's real bad that you can't do the kiwi. You have no imagination.
Oh, I got it. On the top where the numbers start with that question is.
It's just a kiwi. It's just like,
Yeah, that.
here's the eye of the kiwi. The big beak and it's got a head. Okay, can you see the kiwi in the puddle this time around? Lots of things. Any questions with that? Okay, so what you're going to do now is, sorry, just in the middle of the video, I'm going to get you to try some of those. Any questions? Right, let's stop the video.